Hello students. Today in this retirement of partnership we are taking one more numerical in which we will try to solve a question in which all balance sheet and revaluation account, partners capital account all are there. So today we are taking one complete question here from a book. So the question is now on your screen. Okay. XYZ were partners in the firm sharing profits in ratio of 2:2:1. Their balance sheet as at 31st March 2018 was creditors 49,000, reserves 18,500. This is to be distributed among partners. Then capitals are given X 82,000, Y 60,000, Z 75,500, and total of this capital account is 2,17,500, and total of liability side is 2,85,000. Now come to the asset side. Cash is given 8,000, debtors 19,000, stock is given of 42,000, building 2,07,000, patent 9,000. Okay, total of asset side is also 2,85,000. Now further information given here. Y retires on 1st April 2018 on the following terms. Goodwill of the firm was valued at 70,000. It was not to appear in the books. We have not to, and this goodwill value is not to be shown. So here we will first of all calculate the share of the retiring partner by this 70. We will calculate 2 because profit sharing ratio was 2:1. So Y share is 2/5. So we will calculate 2/5 of 70,000. This will be the value of goodwill, and then remaining partners will be debited, and a retiring partner will be credited with the amount. Then bad debts amounted to 2,000 was to be written off. This bad debts now debtors will be reduced by 2,000 and 2,000 will be shown in revaluation account. Then patent was considered as valueless. Here also 9,000 value has gone down, patents. So it will be shown in the debit side of the revaluation account. Prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, and balance sheet of X and Z after retirement. Okay, this is the question, and I told you how we are going to solve this question now. Okay. So in the question, but there is this adjustment. Bad debts amounted to 2,000 is to be written off. So 2,000 bad debts are to be written off. So debtors here we will write 2 bad debts written off. How much? 2,000 rupees. Okay. Then comes the next one. It says that patent were considered valueless. 9,000 value patent are there, and the value is going down to patent 9,000. So this is the loss of 11,000 because no other item is there which can be shown here in revaluation account. So 11,000 will be it is the loss will be debited to partners capital account. So by loss transferred to X capital, Y capital, and Z capital account. So how much amount is there? So the partners, what is the profit sharing ratio? We will have to see 2:1. Means this 11,000 2:1. 2:1 means 11,000. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. Out of 5 2 shares. So 5 2 ja 5 2 ja 2200 into 4400 है ना, तो Z is to be here 4400 है ना, 2000 2 to 1, sorry, what is the ratio? 2 to 1, so 2200 he will be at 2200, 4400 and 4400 because ratio is 2 to 1. Okay, and now come to this capital account, and this is the partners capital account is maintained. So we have taken the balance of the partners from the balance sheet, that is 82,000, 60,000, 75,500. These are the capital account balances of the partners. And then reserve, then in the balance sheet on debit, this liability side, we will see that reserves are given 18,500, and this 18,500 will be distributed in 2 to 1 ratio, because this is the profit sharing ratio. 2 to 1 ratio, it will come 7,400, 7,400 and 3,700. Okay, after then we will just the revaluation account, if we come, these are the losses that are to be debited in partners capital account. So here 4,400, 4,400, 2,200, this is to be debited. So this has been debited here in partners capital account. Then comes the value which is to be given to the partner, retiring partner. Now the this goodwill in the question. The goodwill of the firm is valued 70,000. 70,000 value is there of the goodwill, and retiring partner share is 2 to 1 in this ratio. This was the profit sharing ratio. Now the retiring partner share is 2 upon 5, because 2 to 1, this is the ratio. 2 plus total share are 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So his share is 2 upon 5. So 2 upon 5 share. If we divide this with this, it comes 5 and 5 remaining 2, this 2, 5 4 ja, and 0 0 0, 14 to the 28. 28,000 is the value of this goodwill that is to be given to retiring partner Y. So 28,000 will be given, and this will be borne by the partner in their this gaining ratio. So gaining ratio, when no new profit sharing ratio is given in the question, then what is the profit sharing ratio of the new partner? The same will be the gaining ratio. Now that profit sharing ratio, now earlier it was 2 to 1. 2 to 1 was the ratio. Now X, Y and Z. Now he retires. Now in between X and Z, the new profit sharing ratio will be 2:1. So now this is the gaining ratio also. So 28,000 will be borne by them in 2:1 ratio. So it comes 18,667 will be borne by X, and 9,333 will be borne by Z. So here it is credited in Y's account and debited here in their partners X capital account, and this is Z capital account, 9,333. Now this is done. Now we will total up this thing, and this is the total: 89,400, 95,400 and 79,200. And if you take the balance here, it comes 66,000 balance of X capital, 66,333, and Y's capital account balance is 91,000. Now this is the balance here, but this is not the balance, because he is not going to continue. Okay, so this will be, we will show it in his loan account, this 91,000. Okay, so this will be shown in this way. See, because now he is no more a partner of the firm, so the balances will be shown only of the partners who are the partners. Now he is not the partner after retirement. So this 91,000 will be given to him. This amount is as a loan, and this will be shown in Y's loan account, 91,000, and this is the balance here, and it will be shown as 91,000 will be shown as his loan, and X balance is 66,333. Z capital is 67,667. Okay. Now we'll prepare the balance sheet on this from this information. Okay. So here when we see that cash is 8,000, so here cash will be shown 8,000. Then debtors are here in old balance sheet 19,000, but bad debts were there of 2,000. Those 17,000 debtors are there now. Then stock 42,000. There was no change in stock. 42,000. Then building 2,07,000. 2,07,000. Then comes patent. Patent was this value less, it was stored. Then creditors 49,000. So creditors 49,000. Then comes reserves that are already distributed. Then capital X and Z, two are there. So X capital is this 66,333. Z capital is 67,667, and 91,000 is the loan. The loan is also the liability. Y's loan. So that is, this is the capital, and 91,000 is the loan. We'll show it here, 91,000, and this is 1,34,000. Okay. So we will total up the thing. Okay. When we total up, it is 0, 0, 0, 5, 9, 14, 10, 13, 17, 2,74,000, and here 0, 0, 0, and 8, 7, 15, 17, 24, carry 2, 3, 7, and 2,74,000. This is the balance sheet. Okay, this way will this is solved, and few more questions we'll try. After we will start in the next chapter. Okay.